It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value